Welcome back. This Excel tutorial will show you how to add commas into numbers to separate the thousands. So this is something that can be done automatically or manually. To do it ourselves, we just need to put them in as we would. So obviously that's right, and it will automatically change it. Now, depending on your version, I'm not sure it'll do that, so I'm going to show you the other way. Now this just as an example, we'll do it continuously because it's formatted itself. But to do it the other way, you want to right click and go to Format Cells, or hit Control 1 for the keyboard shortcut. You then want to go down to Number, and you can use the arrows here to change the decimal places, which I'm sure you'll probably want back to 0. And then you can see we've got this tick box here which says Use 1000 separator, and it's obviously a comma, so you can hit that and then press OK, and it will do it like that. And if we change that one to 56 million, it's done it for us like that, and it will continue to do that in the future, and it's formatted correctly for how we want it to be. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like, and I will see you in another video.